So what should I do for Redtail? Just Redtail or?
What can you do with Redtail?
The dead one.
Stalactite lover.
But it's LUVR.
Can you change your icon?
Who's Scar?
Take a guess.
Oh, that one.
The one with the most scars.
Brightheart?
Brightheart?
We're just having a silly, goofy time, you know?
I'm gonna quickly go down the list and ask everyone to speak so I can adjust their audio accordingly. We're gonna start with Mousefur. Can you please speak for me? Just one sentence. How was your day?
#1 victory royale.
Fuck off. Alright, can you please speak for me?
According to all known laws of
Fuck off!
I know, I was thinking of doing both of those.
Did you know that in
very
terms of male,
risky.
female Pokemon,
Male Pokemon.
it is Mpreg. Okay, please speak for me so I can adjust your audio.
That or water. Not after the Emperor comment.
So did you ask him if he wants to buy your bathwater?
I've already bought a few of it. It's fine. Listen, it tastes good! Alright?
Didn't need to know that, but okay.
Got a thing in the oven?
Purdy, you want to speak for me real quick?
What the fuck is going on in my life?
The fitness gram pacer test is the most
I was gonna do that.
We've been trying to reach you concerning your vehicle's extended warranty.
Here's my day so far. Went to jail, lost the girl of my dreams, and got my butt kicked pretty good.
You will?
I got the audio of you doing that.
Hawkfrost, you want to give me your speak for me?
Of course, I haven't thought of funny things to say, so
That's okay.
this is all you're getting.
Hawkfrost isn't funny anyways.
He's just the eye candy.
That is.
He is just eye candy.
We're not gonna talk about my dumpy again.
The only rule for this is to keep it Warriors related and honest to God, no dicks, and we're fine. No female presenting nipples, please and thank you.
Noted.
What about males are fine. Hawkfrost with nips, I'm down for. I
Yeah.
don't know much about Tumblr.
Not
I realized I'm blind about to play a drawing game. I'm actually gonna make a
Scribbled for
blindfold
everything.
real quick.
Oh no!
No, this. Hold on, this is not working out.
What are you using?
Shut up.
Jayfeather just got
Are
a
you
bra
using
across his
something?
face.
Yes, I'm using my bra. Thank you.
You can hit the play button first.
No, not yet.
Just gotta make sure it works first.
That works. I can't see shit.
Should the drawing still be good? God, imagine being blind. That's embarrassing.
You shut the fuck up. I may be blind.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, let's get started.
Please send help.
They're going to send them.
So first things first, everyone come up with a prompt.
Came to me at like 2 in the morning last night, and I was like, yes.
The last second.
Alright. Oh no, alright. Time to blind draw this. Here we go. I gotta draw like the little squirty thing.
Crap.
How do I do that?
I'm
Excuse
sorry,
me.
what?
How do
You
I...
just said no penises?
Yeah, I think you're forgetting rule 1.
Okay, I gotta label this now. Fuck, how do I write? I hope that's a word. Oh, I forgot the rest of the... Fuck, I don't know where I put that. Shut up, I'm blind! Who the fuck invited the blind one to this?
You?
You did.
I am proud of this drawing.
I tried to draw something competent, but I think I drew hell.
Oh no.
Oh no. I wanted this, it's fine.
You can't just build a bitch sometimes.
You know, it's hard to imagine you died while giving birth. You should have died a lot sooner than that.
No one wanted to touch me before.
And no one still wants to touch you now.
That's very accurate.
I hope I'm picking the right colors for this.
Oh no.
Why is everyone better than me?
This reminds
I'm
me
just,
of a cactus.
just gonna...
It's a rat having a gun, obviously. It's a rat shooting out of a bush, right?
Shut the hell up!
Birdie, are you okay?
Hey, Tiger Claw. What do you look like, Tiger Claw? Just a question.
I have no actual response for you.
Oh, like a bitch. Got it.
It's just Tiger Claw slander.
Yeah, this is Tiger Claw slander. He's a bitch.
We will make mistakes.
Yeah, Hawkfrost was his mistake.
Fuck you.
It looks like a crocodile with
Shut the
side
fuck up!
Who the fuck is Squirrel Flat?
You've met her before!
Having a dementia moment.
Squirrel Flat's a MILF.
Oh,
Yeah.
I remember her now.
Is it cheating if your lover's possessed? Oh no. Oh yes!
Drawing is shit.
Purdy, just think for a second. Oh wait, sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you.
I don't pay enough attention to the series to know this. I'm gonna have to use the Warriors wiki.
Now here's another bitch I don't know. Yellowfang? Who's that?
Nice! I'm right here! Why do I hang out with you people?
Jayfeather, I have a question for you.
What?
between you and Stick, who's the woman of the relationship? If you had to say.
I was the one who gave birth.
Okay. Thank you.
I don't like that question.
That right there is the sign of a bitch.
I think I'm not doing this right.
You don't say. You're wearing a blindfold.
It's hard to remember where my pen was sometimes, and so I just kind of like focus on one thing at a time. I know it's hard for a lot of you.
Oh, that.
All right, let's see
Alright,
everyone's.
boys.
I'm scared.
This is where the fun begins. Fun's okay as long as it doesn't involve falling off a cliff.
Okay.
That's your fault. That was very,
Why
very
is the voiceover
specifically your
off?
fault. You chose to do that.
It wasn't my fault. It was Destiny's fault.
Please, someone give me space for once.
Oh god.
Already know.
I almost like that better.
That's good. That's good.
Yellowfang is being attacked
Oh,
by
no.
catnip.
Gosh.
Oh no!
Wow.
Oh, but it's just a thing.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
no.
Oh yeah, see this is
Wow,
true.
the kids
This
grew
is
up
true.
fast.
Oh yeah,
It's going back to the kids.
it's always going. Oh,
Oh,
that's Lion Blaze.
what else?
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Gruesome, I love it.
Princess, where did you get this at?
I don't want to talk about it.
Did you witness the battle?
Did you witness this? She was watching
Hey.
from the sidelines.
From Star
Watching
Clan.
through the bushes.
Is that Scourge or Cloudtail?
He's so fluffy.
Your
Like a
mom.
really fluffy skull.
He's a really fluffy
He's
scourge.
so- Oh no.
Purdy.
What happened to this one?
Purdy.
I do love catnip.
Purdy love catnip.
Yep.
Oh no.
Oh, is that?
Oh, that's
Purdy.
what that was.
Oh, is that Purdy?
I told you, technical difficulties.
I took it literally.
Aww.
The resemblance.
It's the Stick's mom.
Nice.
Mommy, sorry.
Oh no.
Oh
It's the girl.
Oh.
Steve.
It's Steve. That is my daughter! Do I know what I'm doing? Obviously. No, you don't. Very confused and
Oh,
buff tiger.
Oh, yes.
Oh!
Oh wow.
He's a buff boy.
Who are you?
Purdy,
Okay.
And you all.
Okay, thank you, Purdy. Thank you, Purdy.
That's what that was.
Why are you guys giving Purdy this much power?
I'll go.
The sparkles continue.
Alright, hunting mice. Thank you, Tiger Claw.
A normal prompt.
That's
Oh.
not a normal prompt. I
love
mean,
that.
honestly, not bad. Rats. I can't.
That's a good reference.
Oh shit!
Oh.
That looks kind of hot. I want to be bitten.
I wish I were Blue Star.
Oh no.
Oh.
It didn't even turn out that bad.
Look,
Kirby
look, he's like a bug. If the stick bit me, would that be considered a splinter? Anime girl stick.
Oh.
Oh no. I want
Very
to see it.
curious
Oh
as to this.
yes. How did you know that was my nickname for? Why?
No.
T posing. Oh. Aw. Oh wait, no, I knew what I wrote to this. Oh, you got what I meant.
Aw.
Well, you broke it.
I was the one who broke it because I couldn't speak to a rock.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god, that's actually really. You have a distinct style.
Are
Energy.
we just gonna realize that all Jayfeather talked to was a stick and a rock?
Buff blue. Oh no.
Oh yeah.
That was
didn't-
everything I hoped
I
for.
didn't.
in
I
Damn.
almost got it.
Oh.
Wrong one.
I tried.
Oh.
Oh,
no.
Oh. Where?
I like the nipples.
Where's his hand?
You said the
at?
nipples were
That's
okay.
so-
Oh my god, they killed fire.
They killed the cat in the bastards.
When the last hope came out.
Boy, I sure hope River Clan isn't behind that rock.
What?
I like this drawing.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
I was hallucinating when I was wrong.
I like how you always draw yourself.
Redtail. Oh. Oh no.
Oh boy.
Oh
I mean,
no.
it's going back to the original problem.
Oh.
Tiger Claw can get it. It said brutally murdering.
Uh-oh.
Well, that was a good thing. Bramble was a bitch.
Oh, that's not the hawk
don't
we're
even know
talking
you
about.
were the son.
That's not the hawk we're talking about. Two-leg or something? I've never seen one.
That's a good one.
Braille light?
Lives?
I
Oh.
couldn't read it.
Oh,
Type twice.
Hi.
Oh my god.
I drew this, but I don't know what Hawk.
Why does he have so much anime hair?
Because that's how
It's
he's drawn.
Hawkfrost.
I watch anime every night. Don't judge me.
Murder.
Murder. Oh,
Okay, that's what that was.
that is terrifying.
Oh. Oh.
Nice.
That's nice.
I know that guy. It's Ashford. We're buddies. We hang out in StarClan together. He gives me catnip, and then I
He's
forget
in
what happened.
Starkland?
You let him in there.
So
My god.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's
Oh,
Aw.
Firepaw.
I love me some Krabby Patties.
Oh, I interpret
God.
that very differently.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, no.
That's actually kind of.
See, I interpreted
More
Jayburger as like a burger made of Jayfeather. Maybe that was
Well,
wishful thinking, but
Consume.
Don't eat me, please.
try to stop me.
2000. Oh
Oh
no.
no.
Oh
no. Oh yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah, I feel the rage.
Oh no. This is where my technical
Oh.
difficulties came up.
Oh. I remember this. I remember this from personal experience.
Wrong fire though.
Oh, my boyfriend died by a falling rock. Bitch. Ah, yes. Bitch. Oh, shit. Out of the cats here, who's got the best dump? Oh, wait, that's already Hawkfrost. Never mind.
Jeez.
Hawkfrost, but hot because it. Oh, no.
No.
Oh no.
Oh, he is hot. Oh, he actually is hot.
I didn't realize that. I didn't.
I managed to grab some correct colors.
Will?
I'm a little too happy, but that's
I don't know what
okay.
happened.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh,
No.
What's orange again?
My.
Fire alone is actually terrifying. You just never just
All the time.
death.
Listen.
Don't worry, Firepaw is colorblind.
Yep, that's canon now.
Congrats, you're a cat. How do you feel?
I don't even know.
Meow.
Oh,
no.
yes. Okay, so this is the one I had a
Nice.
question
What
on.
that
This
was.
end.
It said spotted leaf heat on it.
Oh
gosh.
god.
What did this even end up being?
Oh.
What happened here?
What?
That's what that was.
Princess.
Oh.
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 This is just turning into Moon Kitty's interpretation of me.
Yeah. That's also.
Oh no, I can't wait.
Oh my.
Oh,
Oh my.
Thank you, my daughter, for the lovely interpretation of your father.
I forgot it was Feathertail.
I
Hate
don't
it when
know
that
who I
happens.
am.
There you go. I'm changing my username. Don't.
I like anime.
Oh whoa. What's this?
Who's Mill?
Milk?
Is that princess? Princess?
Mayhem.
Oh no.
This is
Oh,
great.
no.
Oh, I got a good one.
I'm not gonna be blind for
Me
this
at
time.
least.
I'm not being blind
Oh, no.
this time around because I wanna, this is gonna be great.
It's going down
Oh
pretty
no, I
fast.
forgot I can't draw.
Kinda hard to draw with only one eye, I'm gonna be honest.
Are censor bars allowed? I just realized I have too much space on the paper.
Censor bars are allowed, yes.
Excellent.
Hawkfrost, please do not draw your massive penis.
I'm now realizing what I thought was brown might be red.
There you go.
StarClan are fucking assholes.
Yeah, say it again, Purdy!
Way more respectful to our warrior ancestors. They do so much
Oh
for us.
no.
Brightheart, shut the fuck up and get back in the medicine
You
bin.
shut the fuck up.
I have a feeling I know who wrote this. That's an Ahegao if I ever saw it.
What?
I have to get a reference for this. Of course, the first one that comes up has boobies in it.
Ooh. Oh wait, I'm in Silverstream. I have to be straight. I have to be straight.
I
Oh,
have to be straight.
Alan.
Blue Star's a MILF.
Blue Star is. Wasn't really a mother though. Just an elf. Take your favorite character and make them hot. I either draw me or I draw Yellowfang.
Yes.
It doesn't give me a great insight on why I'm on the tech team and not the art team.
I feel like I'm committing so many sins right now.
do I write bitch on sideways? Hold on.
You're drawing in like dirt, like cat dirt.
Ew,
I
dude.
wouldn't be
What's wrong
surprised.
with you?
Sometimes you gotta get the colors you need, and you can't find those naturally.
Oh,
Gotta make them yourself.
It's a color game. Keep forgetting.
DIY.
How many books is Ravenpaw in? He's like in a couple books, and yet he has so much merch.
Kind of is like completely obsessed with Ravenpaw.
They should be obsessed with me.
Alright.
You know, I just realized that Princess, you're kind of like my mother-in-law.
Oh god.
How many muscles do I draw?
Oh, yes.
Yes.
all of them.
Hawkfrost, can you say something sexily for me?
No.
That's good enough right there.
Yay. Titties.
You hermaphobic?
Yes, I'm afraid of them.
What's a rainbow?
You might have to help
Pulls at the
Jayfeather on
top.
that one, man.
Jayfeather, you know what a rainbow is?
Jayfeather is purple at the top of the rainbow.
Shut the fuck up!
Crooked Star is big asshole that lives up there. Broken ass mouth, he's an asshole. He talks about himself too much.
Excuse me? Are you insulting my daddy? The leader of
You know what? Silverstream is the type of cat to call her daddy.
And that's a problem.
We're at the end.
This is it. So this is your character
Oh, this was.
suddenly possessed Jayfeather.
Oh god, it was
Do
terrible.
something.
And then I ran out of time. It was, oh god. Aww.
Oh.
Shut the fuck up!
Milf?
MILF? Why can't
Yeah.
I see?
Aw.
This is pretty. Oh.
I read that as Nippus.
Oh. No! Hawkfrost. I can't breathe. Colorblind
Steal
Firepaw.
the catnip. Why'd you kids just steal the catnip? Buck was the
There's
first
fun.
thing I said to my wife when she dumped.
Nothing.
Sleep.
I mean, you're all like,
Sleep.
you're half used to it already, you know? Silverstream. What? So
That's
this
that's
is-
your dad.
Oh my
Oh.
god. Alright, Sorrelkit.
Sorrelkit just craves
Eat them.
death, apparently.
Eat them.
Sorrelkit,
Yellowfang.
already
this is nothing new. Every
Every
cat
cat
is
is
gay.
gay.
Every
Every cat.
I
Gray. I said it. I thought it said gray.
Every cat is gray.
Aww. We here at the Warrior Cats fandom
Aw.
want Aaron Hunter to write a gay cat for fucking once. Tall Star's not gay, they were just roommates. Alright, Sorreltail. Oh.
Oh.
Alright, Firepaw.
No.
Oh my god, so did
Ran out of time.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I did a similar thing as well.
Oh. The weirdest part is I can tell what your Hawkfrost is.
I've drawn him like 5 times in the past 24 hours.
Speaking of Hawkfrost. Yay! Yay!
Sometimes it will.
Okay, it didn't. Thank god.
Yeah.
Yeah. What was happening with that
Yeah, didn't
first?
I was trying to draw an Ahegao, but it turned into, yeah.
I didn't get to finish this. I'm very angry.
Oh.
See what you were going for. That is.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
That's really nice.
Love that.
Brightheart.
No!
Bright befriends the
no,
dogs
this one
and
was
saves
also
Swift.
terrible.
I broke everything.
I gave up.
Oh.
Hmm.
Oh no.
Sorrel
no.
B.
Oh, so you still got bit in the face.
Yeah.
I know the lines on the head are not supposed to be mouths, but I can't see them anything
Yeah,
other than
me
mouths.
too.
Alright, so.
Hey! Hey!
Here we go.
Hmm.
This isn't like
This musical.
I can
I can
fix.
change him!
He can change. Moving to Alito's fantasy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Aww.
Friendship.
Oh.
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 That doesn't look like friends, but I love this.
It's
I love
after
that.
that.
Angle.
The friendship
Calming them
happens
down,
after.
you know, just like,
Yeah.
yo.
You know what? That's cute. I like that.
We got Mo.
Firepaw, I really like your attention to detail.
Oh yeah, I want to make sure that every spot of the canvas is filled up.
Hawkfrost.
Brings it together.
Cinderpella takes revenge on the car that hit her.
Cat said a car.
Oh, oh, she squished it. Oh my
Oh,
god.
dramatic.
Oh,
That's a
anime.
show.
She's gonna
Oh,
get
you're
hit
approaching
again.
me? I
do
can't
that.
beat the shit out of you without
you were approaching me.
Like that.
This is almost telling a story.
Yeah.
Fine.
Oh.
Yeah, sure as hell telling a story.
Creative.
So mine one, I went the other way and I made her a mechanic.
No, mine was one left.
Oh.
Ah, nice license plate.
Oh,
Bitch.
that's thoughtful.
What's anything?
Oh.
Oh.
What?
Oh, it blew up.
I read this wrong.
Machine?
Machine?
Oh.
It's okay. I've always wanted to run her over. I'm glad we had the same idea. Thank you, Brightheart.
Monster sounds.
I don't think she's okay.
None of the medicine
No.
cats are ever
We're not.
okay.
Versus okay.
Oh,
Oh, dang.
is that the car running into her dump
She's
truck?
invulnerable.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's like
she's-
dumb.
wow. Hit me once, shame on me.
Hit me in my ass. Redtail, anime
me.
cat, get a pose.
Oh no, I did not.
Oh no.
Anime cat.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh
my
my
God.
Oh.
That's
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh.
Yes.
No, it's like the simple little chibi style.
Got
I
a
see what
mess.
you were trying to go for.
Yeah.
dumpy.
Oh my
Oh.
God.
Oh.
That's really good.
Scourge's Sailor Moon, congrats.
Magical.
Purdy.
One name Sailor Street.
I tried this one. I don't know what I did.
I think they're melting.
Gun.
Oh.
Only animals have
Nice.
Just
Okay, the hair tells it.
This anime is just called Gun.
Oh
That's good.
my
Oh my
fucking
God.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
No, mine.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I guess at that point, like, you'd go to Princess be like, stepmother.
Stepmom, what are you doing?
Jolly kept below you in Discord. Hawk draws Jayfeather. Alright.
Oh,
This was clever.
Ooh.
I like this one.
Ooh.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh.
No.
That was what I wasn't sure if it's brown or red.
Oh my God.
Ooh.
Hawkfrost, I hate you every other time, but now?
Damn, you gonna kiss right now?
Looking good.
Ooh.
Oh, that's
Aw.
pretty.
Purdy. Oh.
Silver stream.
I drew Hawkfrost.
Hawkfrost. Yeah. He's got a dumpy.
Oh my God.
It's Redtail.
Not the feature you needed.
Oh.
Aw, that's cute.
That's cute.
Aw.
Yo.
You guys are so good. Stop it. Purdy.
Tried to
Drawing
impress me, but I'm
Yellowfang.
impressed by every
Very accurate.
Bitch.
Redtail drawing Sorrelkit. Oh.
My stuff went out of order, so I'm sorry, Firepaw. I'm sorry. I did not draw you.
That's
No, it's
fine.
alright.
You have enough attention already.
Yeah, true. I got like
Alright, I had
series.
Brightheart.
You have a mustache.
Or that's always in my tent.
He just wants to help.
Purdy. My wife is a
Oh.
whore.
This
Oh,
was a
now
pretty
it
one.
makes sense.
This was a purdy one.
Yeah.
Which wife, Firepaw? Spotted leaf or sandstorm?
all of the above.
No, it's my wife.
Aw.
I'm artist.
Princess. Silver stream.
Oh my god.
Oh
That's
no.
Billy!
Aw.
Aw.
She can get it.
What's
What's
up?
What's a whore? Oh.
Oh.
Oh, it's a nosebleed. Oh my God.
I love it.
Wait, what did you think it was?
Anyways,
Oh,
ask for gift
Oh.
for
That is
Hawkfrost.
correct.
See what you
Yeah.
want with it.
Let's go.
Oh no, she's been waiting for this
That's
one.
it.
She was waiting for this one. Oh
Oh no, he has his tongue sticking out.
homosexual.
Firestar said fuck.
Oh no.
Oh.
Oh no. Thank you for not finishing that one.
No problem. Hawkfrost is the Tsundere. You're right.
It's not like I like you or anything. Baka. Oh my God.
Oh, they touch nose. They touch
Oh.
nose. They kiss. Oh, they actually kiss.
Oh god.
You can poke an eye out with that hair. Oh.
Aw.
Scourge is in the background.
Oh.
Oh.
Hate it when my boyfriend dies.
This is the last time you broke the code. I like this prompt. This was nice.
This one was interesting.
Silver Street.
Aw.
It was very easy.
Why
Yeah.
is there so much tongue action? What is that?
The fuck?
What the fuck is a code?
Twig branch, because she can't fucking decide where to live.
I saw my own
Didn't
eye.
Did I?
I don't think you did.
I think he had a.
My code broke.
I thought that was a what?
Joke! Joke! I ran out of time!
I thought that was a.
Oh.
That was a.
Oh, that's how you broke it.
No! So I couldn't think of anything, so I just went with like.
You shat in my nest?
You're no other choice.
Well, Hawkfrost. I can't remember the last time
Maybe
Hawkfrost
killed
ever broke the
someone.
code.
Hawkfrost didn't break the code. I saw him not do it.
Thanks, man. I appreciate that.
Take your favorite character and make them hot.
Oh no. Oh.
And we're starting off strong with me.
Oh no.
Oh, dark!
What?
No, there.
No.
That's nice wood.
Oh.
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 Ooh.
Ashford.
Oh.
Why is it a
Looks like a
stick
hot
of
dog.
dynamite?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh, the
Oh.
cleavage.
That's
Is
McDuck.
that Mario?
Mario?
Oh, he's already hot.
Uh,
I somehow knew Hawkfrost was going to be a part of this.
knew it.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
Score.
Look at those muscles.
Oh, that's a
It is
cool.
me,
Oh,
of
the zoom
course.
in.
It is fuck off, Hawkfrost. You self-centered asshole. This is Firepaw's prompt.
Yeah.
Ravenpaw eternally
Ah.
screaming. Not
Okay.
internally.
This one was eternally could
Eternally.
also be internally.
Like that.
His eyes.
That, yes.
Uh,
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh,
I mean,
yeah.
essence.
Why did you make the background? Okay.
It looked like a butthole.
Oh my god.
Oh.
oh no.
Oh no.
Oh. Oh.
Oh,
But I tried to do.
He's so done.
so good.
I'm running out of time.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh. Goodness.
I can guarantee you I know exactly what this prompt is.
Snar.
I know
I
it.
can guarantee you I know exactly what Ashfur is fucking what Hawkfrost in this prompt. Yep.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wait, Hawkfrost. Why did I do Scourge?
Oh, Bean!
It's okay. It's a more interesting time.
The baby. Oh.
They can't be wholesome. Stop.
It's a cursed ship.
Lynn?
Stop.
Kill
Kill
him.
murder. Yay.
Aw.
Daddy.
Daddy. Oh. I combined the hair. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I did not need to see that visual.
Oh, it's so small.
Again, utilizing the whole canvas. Yes.
Right.
That's good.
Oh, yes.
You.
Alright, Silver Stream's last one. Here we go. Big Bad Daddy Crooked Star.
Oh no. No, this prompt was from you.
I think we should end it here.
Remember when I asked about the sensor bar?
I'm sorry.
Oh.
Daddy, sorry. Daddy, sorry.
Oh.
Oh no.
Crooked Star.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
He got a chiseled chin though, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And like a beard going on.
Oh.
Oh, is that the six pack? Is that the six pack? Oh.
Oh.
Oh, he's a sugar daddy.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, that's really nice too.
Got the glasses.
Oh, his little hand.
It's the eyes.
Oh
There's-
my
Oh.
god, yes.
Oh,
He's got nips.
He got a waist though.
he's got
Yeah,
mail
he
for
kinda
the
snatched.
Hourglass figure.
Oh. Hell yeah.
Even he got the buff.
He's Crooked Star's gonna make me happy.
Oh.
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 Oh, the veins are
That's a paw.
popping.
Okay, that's a paw.
But you guys want to say anything to anyone before you go? Not you, Purdy. You've said enough.
Sorry, I'm not sorry.
Hawkfrost got a big dumpy.
Oh, shut up.
Thing is, Birdie is really hard because I had to do it the entire time.
Like when you started talking normally, I was really thrown for a loop.
But you guys are free to go. Thank you for joining us. You guys have been great.
Thank
This
you,
was very
Matt.
fun. You abided by both of our rules today, which is all I could ever ask for. See ya.
Bye.
Every cat is gay.